Hi, this is Julie from julieventures.com, and this is a short overview of the port area in beautiful St. Maarten. The port at St. Maarten has two large piers and can accommodate the world's largest cruise ships, such as the Oasis-class ships from Royal Caribbean. So this is a popular destination for many cruise lines. When you exit your ship, you will find yourself in Harbour Point Village. This area serves as the first point of contact for visitors arriving at the cruise port, offering a welcoming tropical atmosphere with steel pan music and a layout styled in Philipsburg's charming old architecture. The village features duty-free outlets, souvenir shops, and market stalls. Popular stores include jewelry retailers like Diamonds International, Tanzanite International, Effie, and Majesty Jewelers. These are all pretty standard stores at most ports. You will also find multiple bars and restaurants in the village, offering snacks like macaroons, lemonade, or an alcoholic beverage. Overall, the Harbour Point Village is very clean, friendly, and offers a low-pressure shopping experience. But there is only a limited amount of things to do here at the port. Luckily, Philipsburg is only a very short boat ride away. Boat transportation to Philipsburg is very affordable and convenient. Dead center in the village, you will find a water taxi stand where you can purchase a round-trip ticket for $7 per adult. A small boat dock is directly to the left of where you exit the cruise ships, and this is where you access the water taxis. You can also purchase tickets at the entrance to the water taxi dock. The boat ride to Philipsburg is very short. From the time we got in line to when we exited the taxi, it took us about 10 to 15 minutes total. The crew on the water taxis are friendly and entertaining. They also sell alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages on the taxis at very reasonable prices. They do ask for tips for the trip, but there is no pressure to tip. By the way, I am a travel agent, and I would love to help you plan your next trip. My services are completely free, and I can help you get the best deals. The water taxis take you to Great Bay Beach and the Boardwalk. Great Bay Beach is a stunning white sand beach with turquoise waters, ideal for relaxing or water activities like jet skiing and snorkeling. The 1.5-mile boardwalk is lined with restaurants, bars, and shops, offering scenic views of cruise ships and nearby islands. Front Street is the main shopping hub here on the island, offering luxury goods, jewelry, electronics, and local specialties like guava berry liqueur with no sales tax or duties. Great Bay Beach and its lively boardwalk feature restaurants, bars, and shops. Dining ranges from Caribbean Johnny cakes to international cuisine. The whole area is walkable with US dollars widely accepted. Unlike some of the other Caribbean islands that we have visited on a cruise, St. Maarten felt extremely safe. Did we get the occasional pressure from a vendor? Sure, but nothing like most of the other islands that we have visited. If you didn't purchase an excursion from the cruise line, but are interested in possibly securing a day pass at a hotel, have no fear. As you walk the boardwalk, you will see several hotels offer day passes with umbrellas, chairs, and even pools. You will notice that some of the bars and restaurants have very interesting names. We actually had lunch at the Blue Bitch Bar. If you plan on doing some shopping, know that haggling is expected at markets, but less common in duty-free stores, where prices are fixed but already competitive. Every store we visited accepted U.S. credit cards, but know that some of the market vendors accept cash only. If you forgot to bring cash, no worries. ATMs are available on Front Street. Here is another example of a place where you can purchase a pool day pass for $20. This pool and bar are located very close to where you exit the water taxi. There is even a casino on the island. All that is left is to hop back on the water taxi when you are ready to return to your ship. Thanks for watching. I would be happy to help you plan your next vacation. Contact me by filling out a form on my site, jillieventures.com, or email me at jrupert@mainstreetadventures.com.